Yeah.
It's easier to clean up off the floor.
Yay.
He's gonna get used to getting that one foot under his butt better. I know! I said butt.
No, forget out. You tell it. So where your feet where to go.